To remove and install the key switch on your Sportsman 450 or 570, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface. Ensure it is in park, set the parking brake, and remove the key. Next, hold the key switch from behind the console, and carefully loosen and remove the key switch nut. Then, push the key back through the hole in the console, and maneuver through the headlight pod. Continue by disconnecting the key switch power connector from the key switch. A flathead screwdriver can be used to aid in releasing the connector tab. Before continuing, ensure the seal on the power connector is not damaged and is fully seated. Next, connect the key switch connector to the key switch and ensure it is fully seated. Then, align the notch above the key switch with the notch in the console. Continue by reinstalling the key switch through the console and securing with the retained nut. Then, torque the nut to specification. Finally, insert the key and verify proper operation. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.